Oh, treasure.
Oh.
Wow.
You know what? Jess, there's a bigger one for you, actually.
Nora, come over here. Come over here. I spotted something that you'll find interesting. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Look over there. Look. No, wait a minute. Look. Look. Oh!
Oh my goodness gracious!
Oh.
Look at all those things in there. There's a lot more eggs now. Go get some more eggs.
Oh, I thought you weren't going to find that one.
As usual, this family went all
That's
out.
right.
When we do Easter, we really
That's
do
right.
Easter.
Nora, there's some more eggs. Go find some more eggs.